I might mess around with that other side a little bit too. I've had a little trouble with the turn signal switch, not always lighting up inside with it. And look at that. That could use a little work too, don't you think? This is going to be the same situation as the other one. I'm going to go get me a couple of wing nuts, go get me a couple of pieces of metal, tighten up that ground. Maybe all my turn signal problems will be over. I love this stuff. This is how you fall in love with a car. You spend some time doing intimate things in which you discover more about its personality. And little things that used to distract you suddenly become things that have been perfected through a bit of attention. That's what makes love work, boys. Okay, that's working nicely. I am quite happy with my little bit of work here. And the sun is coming out, so it looks like we might actually have a shot at the car show today. I think I'll get the old girl out in the driveway there and wash her up good, and we'll go have a little fun.